and say you gonna rock this YouTube shit. That's why I try to tell people, man. That's your best motivation is yourself. You gotta keep yourself popping. No cap. You keep yourself popping, man. Everybody gonna come to your channel. No cap. You gotta be ready. You can't be just bullshit.
Gotcha.
You hear me? You gotta know you the shit. You hear me? You gotta act like you the director of your motherfucking movie and you finna star in this whole. Bang, let's get
Okay.
this shit
Okay.
popping. You hear me? You gotta be ready, bro. No cap. That's why I tell y'all, say y'all, this do your own. Hey, you know, like Uber say, you your own boss.
Yep.
You your own damn boss. You
Gotcha.
pop out when the hell you want to. You pop an ass how you want to. I ain't trying to get no YouTube check, so shit. I'm gonna act a fool anywhere it goes.
Just for the love of
I'm
it.
gonna pop out anyway. You hear me? So yeah, man. Like I tell anybody, say my channel blew up out shorts, no cap, and it was way before the green screen shit. So yeah, man, it's shorts, quick and simple. You know what I'm talking about? You already know. Person rather swipe to something and keep it going. Swipe, no cap.
Right.
Nobody trying to see no sit there and wait all damn day. No, they want to see you get to the point, break that shit down. Let's get it to it, and bang, bang, bang. Let's go. Yeah, man, no cap. So like they say, the fastest shit get the most attention. Cause you catch their eye and then
Gotcha.
it be
Gotcha.
gone. I'm like, damn, I gotta go back to it. Damn, what? Yeah, you gotta catch their eye, bam, real quick. Yeah, 3 bars, game. We ain't playing no games, man. I'm telling y'all, say, man, we gonna pop out, y'all. I told y'all. Oh, I already started a new year, so that's why, hey, new shit popping. Yeah, I started a new year a couple weeks ago, so yeah, it's new shit
Couple of weeks
popping, y'all.
ago.
No cap. Yeah, I started a little early, y'all. No cap, man. So shit, my channel doing so good. I'm like, damn, new year, new shit. Bang. So yeah, y'all pop out. It's going down, y'all. I told y'all, man. We ain't playing no games, y'all. We popping out. We showing love. We shitting on you. Don't come on my channel with the bullshit. I'm telling y'all, you gonna get all the smoke. I'm gonna score in your ass. I'm gonna roast your ass. I'm gonna make you turn around, make me look like I'm a bully. I'm gonna tell you that right now. I'm telling you, I will get on your channel and make you look like shit. Believe me, I'm a high school clown and I will clown your ass.
I tell them,
That's why this shit is easy for me.
don't.
So don't push my butt.
Right. Don't come with that bull.
Hey, you better go check out my live. All my shit stuck up there. I don't delete shit. So your shit gonna be stuck up there, me roasting your ass. You hear me? And then I'm gonna tag your ass in that bitch too. I'm gonna tag your ass in that hoe. Hashtag, yeah. So it's gonna be up there every time somebody type your name, they're gonna see that roast pop up on your ugly ass. I'm that type. I'm gonna make you famous.
Gotcha.
You don't know not to mess with me no more. I will roast your ass and hashtag your ass. So every time somebody hashtag your name, they're gonna see that roast. Every time. So don't play with me. I know how to get you. I know how to
Put them
get
on
you.
blast.
Hashtag, that's your ass. I know how to
Oh
get you.
man.
Yeah. That's why I made people a moderator for they can go down and see if you a bullshitter. They'll let me know it's a kid. If not, we gonna roast your ass. Yeah. I
Gotcha.
have some. You better have somebody. I ain't gonna kick you out my live. Hell no. I'm gonna give you all the smoke, and watch your ass shit. I'm gonna say, no, bring your ass back. You gotta make my chat look good. Yeah, I love this shit. I love this shit. This personality shit. Words don't hurt. Some of these people they
True.
say, nah, words don't hurt. Especially if you ain't kin to me. You ain't my family member. Words don't hurt. So all I do is laugh at that shit. That's motivation. It is. Bars.
Right. Right. Like talk all you want.
Y'all better catch up, man. I'm telling y'all, I'm gonna get y'all on some real shit, y'all. Know you finna put y'all on some real shit, man. All this hate ain't no but motivation. You ain't got nobody saying some bullshit on your channel. You ain't doing no right. For real. If you ain't got no comments and when out of all videos, you gotta have YouTube. You got YouTube Studio, bro.
Yeah. I got it down
There
there.
you go. That's why you get to see all the bullshitters. And then all you gotta do is delete, delete bullshit, bullshit, swiping or swiping. Yeah, that's the whole point I'm trying to tell y'all, man. You your own boss. I told y'all, you your own boss. You gotta have the YouTube studio. Cause yeah, we delete all these little hate names. Yeah, no cap. I told y'all we getting out. Yeah, we didn't collab with Funky Town today. Yeah, and then we just got through collabing with VA. You hear me?